Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making.
Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna do a quick project share, and I'm also going to unbox some Happy Mail that I received. It's coming from New York, and I think it's actually a prize that I won from a giveaway. But let's go ahead and show you this card. I made an easel card with a die for my stash. It is a country basket, flower basket type of die, and so it's quite large, as you can see. And I used leftover scraps from a different collection of mine. This is from Cradle to Stage. And over here, I was experimenting with my embossing folders. And the paper that I used over here is from this very last collection, which is called, gosh, what is that collection called? I forget. I have so many collections out there. Oh my gosh. It's called Whispers. This is from Whispers on the inside. And so, like I said, I was just experimenting. I have this huge roll of well, it's not mesh. It's like the stuff that you use for floral designs. And so I decided to use that there. And I have some flower accents here, just different types of flowers. And I went ahead and I added a bow here and some bling. I put thank you because this is going to go to the winner. I made this card using watercolor paper. It's real easy to put together. And so with the inside, this is what the inside looks like. Now, this paper you have not seen before because I have just designed it. I am playing around with it, and I'm thinking about doing a journal collection with this background, and it might just I don't know yet, but if you haven't joined our Facebook group, you may want to go ahead and do that, because I'm thinking about just putting it up for our Facebook group users so they have something to use, because like I said, I've been playing around with stuff, okay, and this is, never before seen. This is what this page looks like. And so over here I have a die from Tonic Studios, just something to hold it up. It says handcrafted memories by, and of course there's no room to put my name there or my whatchamacallit, but I went ahead and did that over here where it says handmade by. That way the person doesn't forget about me, hopefully. Oh, and I'm going to go ahead and include this in the prize package as a thank you card. Like I said, I was just messing around with it. This is what it looks like. So yeah, I received this Happy Mail just about an hour ago, and oops, okay, I can't open it. And I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and open it in a video. So I think what this is a winning. So we'll know in just a little bit. You know what? I got these from Temu, and also you can get these from Shein. And as cute as these are, guys, it's not for little hands, because these are sharp as... This is sharper than my kitchen knives, and my kitchen knives are sharp. Okay, so here we go. I do believe that is a winnings. Get these things out of here. And look at this. Look at this. She made a note card with my paper collection. This is from Cradle to Stage. It says, Sandy, congrats on the winning. It is something that I want. I hope you enjoy her. Made a quick memory decks. Don't usually do a lot of cute, but I Tried hugs, Dalia. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and leave you with Dalia's channel link in the description area of my video. So please make sure that you go ahead, you visit Dalia, subscribe to her channel. She does a ton of paper crafting projects, and she also does some tutorials. And her main niche, what I have noticed, is she likes to do mini albums. So if you're interested in mini albums and journals and you want to level up your scrapbooking, your mini albums, go ahead and check out her channel, because she's got a ton of different paper crafting ideas. So anyways, we got that, and let's see. She said she made a memory text card. I'm looking forward to it. Oh! Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, and by the way, the video before this one, I'm getting comments like, oh, your voice sounds so much better, and this and that. You know what, guys? Yes, that was my voice from 2019, back from before any surgery, before any medical malpractice. And to those of you who are new to my channel, that's what I'm supposed to sound like. But after they severed my vocal cords, it was an accident, and they didn't do it right as they were intubating me. This is what, there's permanent damage. And my voice is going to stay this way unless I'm able to get a vocal cord transplant, which probably is not going to happen for a while. Okay, so this is her memory index card. It's so cute. It's so cute. And look how she made her bag topper. Isn't this lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Yes, I'm singing to you. Look at this. This is so cute. I want it. Okay. Now, I can't get it out. I was going to show you my memory index card holders. But anyways, let's go ahead and set this to the side. And this is the journal that she made. And she did a channel giveaway. So go ahead and check her out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look how she packaged it so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm admiring right now. Okay. Let me. Yeah, I gotta be careful with these blades. Oh my god. Oh. There we go. Oh my goodness. Now let's put this to the side. Oh, and I like how the whatchamacallit, they all get all sprinkled over here, and I will collect these because I will use them. Again, reuse. And look at this. Oh my goodness. It's cloth, y'all. Okay, I need to learn how to make these, except I find them so intimidating. I find making journal books, look at that, she stitched everything. I find it so intimidating. See, this is a part that I find so intimidating. Look at that, so beautiful. Okay, so we are going to go, oh my goodness, look at this journal. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at that, how she did this. And she just sewed it on. Oh my goodness. Look at this beautiful, beautiful journal. Oh yes. And the pockets. Oh my gosh, look at this. And the tags. And when I was working with that, I had a tag full out of my, the scraps that I keep in a bag. And so I'll just set it right there, or I can put it right here. Okay. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Oh, look at it. He looks so cute. Here's an envelope with the tag. Oh my goodness, This is so, I love it. And look at that. See, this is a labor of love because she does something different. Oh, I missed one. Individually. And how she just sewed it all together. Look at that. And this like this. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. And this can go here. Look at this. She did an amazing job. I don't want the video to be too long, so I'm going as fast as I can. Wow, when she inked it, I have a ton of ink. I'm thinking about sending it to Dalia, and the other half of my ink to Rhonda, because the two ladies in my design team, they're the ones who do journals and mini albums. Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful heart? I just love it, love all of these designs. Oh my goodness. And how she made this. Wow. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is so cute. Oh, how pretty this is. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that, another pocket. And more tags. And these are so beautiful. I think this is my third or fourth journal that I've won, or that someone has made it for me and they sent it to me. And so one of them I used when the day that my dad was called back to heaven. And that one has a lot of heartbreak in it. So I don't plan on reading it. That's just going to be for my kids so that they get an insight as to what was going through my mind when I got the news that my daddy went home. Okay, look at that. That is so beautiful. And look how she does it. What workmanship. You and Rhonda, I swear. And I love that chunky effect. I want to fill it up with stuff and make it go pow. Yeah. Thank you so very much. I feel so privileged, and I am so very thankful that you called my name in this. And thank you for the memory Dex card. I love it. Yay! She got her stuff over here. And what is her? You know what? I got stories about over here at the Bronx, Dalia. When I was a little girl, my mom used to take us from Queens to the Bronx, down Fairley Street or Fale Street, anyways. And Delance was around there to a babysitter because she couldn't afford any other babysitters when we first came when I first came to this country. And so, yeah, we were so poor, girl. We were dirt poor. Oh my gosh, I tell you the things that my parents have gone through to give us the best education that they could and the best life that they could, so that we in turn can move forward and just keep going. I'm so thankful to my parents for that. So anyways, thank you so very much. I don't want to get too mushy over here. And remember, tomorrow I'm going to go ahead and call, not call, like ring, ring. No, I mean make a video to announce the winner for this month's giveaway. Okay, so thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you once again real soon. Bye.